Hello people, since the review of my XCover 6 Pro, I have been asked a lot by many people what battery will work on XCover 6 Pro. I already gave an answer to that question without actually trying and testing what battery works on XCover 6 Pro. And if there is one thing that I really want to avoid on this channel is misinforming my audience. So today I have two different batteries here delivered by Amazon in Europe, and I'm gonna show you what battery will work and what battery won't. And let's begin right away. So now you are seeing three batteries on my desk right now. This is the original battery that I got in XCover 6 Pro box. And this is my XCover 6 Pro, which is in pretty bad shape after drop test. I'm gonna go to Samsung Service Center right after shooting this video. And the battery in the middle is XCover Pro battery, which was released in 2020. And the battery on the left is for XCover 5, which was released in 2021. And right off the bat, we can clearly see the size difference here. I mean, the XCover 5 battery on the left is definitely smaller than the battery on the right, which is for XCover Pro. So we can definitely say this battery won't fit into the battery slot that is designed for this battery here. And to compare XCover 5's battery to the battery that I got with XCover 6 Pro, yeah, as you can see here, there is also a meaningful size difference here. XCover 5's battery is definitely smaller than XCover 6 Pro's battery. There is a very meaningful margin here. So although we can put this battery into XCover 6 Pro's battery slot, I don't think it's gonna make XCover 6 Pro work. And besides, there is some spec difference between these two batteries too. XCover 6 Pro battery has 4050 mAh capacity, while XCover 5's battery has only 3000 mAh capacity. My conclusion for XCover 5's battery at this point is not gonna work for XCover 6 Pro. So adios. Now we have XCover Pro's battery, which was released in 2020, and these two batteries looks really similar. Size-wise, I cannot really tell the meaningful difference between these two batteries. It looks almost identical, except XCover Pro's battery doesn't have KC certification for Korea and Indian certification for India. I can confirm stunning similarity between these two batteries, so I'm gonna open up the XCover Pro's battery and then test it. So here's the new XCover Pro's battery here. I think it's identical battery. Then let's put XCover Pro's battery into XCover 6 Pro. As I expected, it perfectly fits into XCover 6 Pro's battery slot. And the next thing that I gotta do is close the bag. Oh yeah, the power is on. Now it's booting up. This battery that I'm holding in my hand right now is the old battery that I got from XCover 6 Pro's box. And the battery that is inside of my XCover 6 Pro is XCover Pro's battery. Ooh, glass. It's working fine, yeah. Alright. Okay, that's it. XCover Pro's battery work on XCover 6 Pro too. And I remember I said you cannot use XCover Pro's battery on XCover 6 Pro because the battery has different model number. And I was not completely wrong about that because it indeed has a different model number. The left battery is for XCover Pro and the right battery is XCover 6 Pro's battery, but you can use it interchangeably, and as you can see here, it has different model number. So that was the trick. I didn't know even though the model number is different, it is compatible. And although we said goodbye to XCover 5's battery, yeah, here you go. As we can see, we can put this battery into XCover 6 Pro, but it's not gonna power XCover 6 Pro because it does not fit. Yeah, I'm gonna return this battery. Whew. So that's it, mission accomplished. You can use XCover Pro's battery for XCover 6 Pro. Again, if you already have XCover Pro's battery, which was released in 2020, you can use that battery for XCover 6 Pro. XCover Pro's battery and XCover 6 Pro's battery are interchangeable. I hope this video was helpful. Then as always, see ya!